Good morning, students. We have done till question number 4. Today we are going to do question number 5, 6 and 7. Let's start. Question number 5. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688? It means ऐसे कौन सा नंबर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 56 से, सो हमें आंसर उसका 9688 मिलेगा. ओके, टू फाइंड दिस वी विल डिवाइड 9688 बाय 56. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिवाइड 9688 बाय 56. So we will take first 96. So 56 ones is 56. So 1 will come here and 56 will come here. Subtract them. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Now take this 8 down. So we get 408. Got it? Now 56 sevens is 392. 7 will come here and 392 will come here. Subtract them. 8 minus 2 is 6. 0 minus 9 is impossible, right? So we will borrow 1 from this 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Understood? Now take this 8 down. We get 168. So 56 3s is 168. So 3 will come here and 168 will come here. Now subtract them. So 8 minus 8 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 1 again 0. Okay, so our answer is 173. Got it? You have to copy all the 4 questions in your notebook. Thank you. Question number 6. If 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, how many notebooks at the most will 5880 sheets make and how many sheets will be left over? It means कि एक नोटबुक बनाने के लिए 48 शीट्स की नीड है. सो टोटल 5880 शीट्स से कितने नोटबुक बनेंगे और कितने शीट्स बाकी रहेंगे. ओके, सो to find this we will divide 5880 by 48. Got it? 5880 divided by 48. Okay, now 48 ones is 48. So 1 will come here, 48 will come here. Now subtract them. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now take this 8 down. So we get 108. Now 48 2s is 96. So 2 will come here. 96 will come here. Now subtract them. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 0 minus 9 is impossible. So we will borrow 1 from this 1. So 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Understood? Now take this 0 down. Now we get 120. Again 48 2s is 96. So we will take 2 here in question and 96 will come here. Subtract them. 0 minus 6 is impossible. So we will borrow 1 from this 2. So 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 1 minus 9 is impossible, right? So we will take 1 from this one, so 1 will become 0 and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 9 is 2 and 0 will come as it is 0. Got it? So it means total 122 notebooks can be made and 24 sheets left over. Okay? We will write in a sentence 122 notebooks can be made and 24 sheets left over. Understood everyone? Question number 7. What will the question be when the smallest 5-digit number is divided by smallest 4-digit number? It means we have to divide smallest 5-digit number by smallest 4-digit number. Now first we will write smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay, and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, so we will divide 10,000 by 1000. Okay, now I will write like this. So we have to take 1000 because divisor is 1000 only. So 1000 ones are is 1000. So 1 will come here in a question and 1000 will come here. Subtract them. 0, 0, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now in dividend 0 is left. So 0 will come here in a question also and here in a remainder also. Got it? So our answer is 10. It means quotient is 10. Understood? Now do these 3 questions in your homework. Question number 1 is the cost of one mobile is 16,999. What is the cost of 18 such mobiles? Okay. Question number 2. How many hours are required to cover a distance of 1368 km if the speed of the vehicle is 72 km per hour? Now question number 3. Which number should be multiplied by 57 to get the product 18,012? Got it? You have to do these 3 questions in your homework. Thank you. So we are done with problem set number 15. Thank you.